Hi, I'm Michele Pritchard at Michele Pritchard Hair. Today, I'm gonna be sharing with you a glam wave technique utilizing the Hot Tools Black Gold Flat Iron. What makes this tool so amazing is that it has this nice round cylinder. So now we have a flat iron that we can use behind the chair that's going to keep volume in the hair even if we're flat ironing. I love to do glam waves, and I'm gonna continue on with this look to share with you guys exactly how we go about getting this glam wave. And the flat iron is gonna go in. We're using the 1 inch. There's also a 1 1/4, but I want these to be very bouncy, so we're gonna go with the 1 inch. And we're going to go in, we're gonna heat the whole section up so that it heats evenly, and then we're gonna go back in and we're gonna give the flat iron a full turn so that the hair is coming through the center of the flat iron, and as you come up, you just slow and steady, bring that out, and then boom, the curl comes right like that. And we're gonna be working up the head, doing that exact same technique all the way up the head. I think the more volume you want, you definitely wanna go up with the hair. So you can see that my elevation is coming 45 from the head every single time, and that's just guaranteeing that I want maximum volume. If you want something a little bit more relaxed, maybe just come down on your elevation and it'll be a little softer with that as well. And then the curl just comes right out. I always know the temperature that it's at, and I'm just gonna go down 10 degrees just to safeguard myself. And how valuable, how amazing is that to know exactly where your temperatures are sitting with the numbers sitting right there. I love that, it's amazing. I will say I'm not one that usually picks up a flat iron. And now that I have this flat iron, it is going to be my new go-to. It is so easy. You can see that I'm so relaxed with my body using it, and it just glides through the hair, and I can work very, very quick with it, which we all know is necessary when we're working behind the chair. We wanna work smarter, not harder, and this tool definitely is giving me all of that.